Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about a spice that can help you lose weight, cumin seed. Yes, you heard it right. Cumin seed has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for a variety of health issues including weight loss. So let's get started with the 5 ways to use cumin seed to lose weight. Add cumin seed to your food. The easiest way to incorporate cumin seed into your diet is by adding it to your food. Cumin has a warm and earthy flavor that goes well with a variety of dishes from soups to stews to roasted veggies. Simply sprinkle a teaspoon or 2 of cumin seed over your food while cooking to give it a healthy boost. Make a cumin tea. Another great way to use cumin seed for weight loss is by making a cumin tea. Boil a cup of water and add a teaspoon of cumin seed to it. Let it steep for 10 minutes and then strain it into a cup. You can add a squeeze of lemon juice or a teaspoon of honey for some extra flavor. This tea is not only delicious, but it'll also help you shed those extra pounds. Use cumin seed in your salad dressing. If you're a fan of salads, then you'll love this cumin seed salad dressing recipe. Mix together some olive oil, apple cider vinegar, a pinch of salt, and a teaspoon of cumin seed. Pour it over your salad and toss it well. This dressing is not only healthy, but also adds a delicious and unique flavor to your salad. Add cumin seed to your smoothie. If you're looking for a unique way to use cumin seed, then try adding it to your smoothie. Blend together some almond milk, banana, spinach, and a teaspoon of cumin seed for a refreshing and nutrient-packed drink. The cumin seed will help boost your metabolism and promote weight loss. Make cumin seed water. Finally, one of the easiest ways to use cumin seed for weight loss is to make cumin seed water. Boil a cup of water and add a teaspoon of cumin seed to it. Let it steep for 10 minutes and then strain it into a glass. Drink this water first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. It'll help kickstart your metabolism and aid in weight loss. And there you have it, 5 ways to use cumin seed for weight loss. Whether you're adding it to your food, making a tea, or infusing it in water, cumin seed is a powerful spice that can help you shed those extra pounds. So start incorporating it into your diet today and watch the magic happen. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more healthy tips and tricks.